Hi, Mom!
Oh my God, I've always wanted to do that.
She's going to be so happy.
I know, exactly. So, hi, it's Jeffrey here from Sephora PRO.
Hey guys, David here from Sephora PRO.
And we're here to bring you all the best gift sets for Mother's Day this year. We're here with a gift guide for you. We've missed you.
Yes, we know you guys love the gift guides. We are so excited to bring this one because, I don't know about you, but I am a bona fide mama's boy.
Absolutely.
I am a proud mama's boy. I love my mama. I got no problem. I shower her with gifts.
She's like one of my biggest fans. She's like steady on Facebook,
know,
always
she's so
reposting my
cute.
videos.
My
I
mom
love
just
it.
learned how to do like a text message. So
Yeah,
like
okay,
just
word.
getting
Alright.
her to like see a video. I'm like, Mom, watch this.
Oh my gosh.
She
yeah,
loves
you're like
it.
showing her with the iPad.
Yes,
like, going through all of
exactly.
it. So we've got all the best gifts coming up for you this Mother's Day season.
Yes.
We've got some really good things that we want to show you. So, and we're going to kind of break it down by sort of the type of mom, I guess.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
that's the kind of vibe.
Yeah.
you know?
Although I think that they're all really good gifts for
Yeah.
any mom would be. I mean, is your mom like a beauty junkie? Is she like
yeah, she
is?
we've had conversations about beauty before, and she'll be like, Jeffrey, I've been doing my makeup for 55 years. Don't tell me how to do my makeup. And I'm like, okay, Mom, that's cool.
I love
whatever."
that. She's like,
she's gonna
"Don't."
kill me. She's like, don't reveal my age. How dare you?
Oh my God, I love that. That is so cute. My mom used to like sell makeup like in the old days when the women used to go from house to house
to
and do the
door,
party.
yeah.
And I remember when I was young seeing her kit of like the mini lipsticks and
Yeah.
I was obsessed with
Oh
it.
my God,
So
so
that's where my
cute.
obsession with minis come from. Has to do with you, Mom.
Oh. Well, I think we should just jump right
Yes,
into it.
let's
Yeah,
jump
get
in.
started.
What do you got first?
Okay, so first up, I definitely have a sure bet for this season. I think this is from Tarte. This is the Hydrate and Glow kit. You're going to get a ton of stuff, and I think it's a really, like, universal colorway. I think it would look great on any kind of skin tone, but inside is...
I
the-
love this whole
Rainforest of the
collection
Sea.
that they're doing, especially the lips. They're so hydrating and beautiful.
This is from the actual Rainforest of the Sea collection,
Yeah.
which is exclusive to Sephora, which is really awesome. And inside, you're going to get a beautiful palette with, like, a lot of, like, neutral tones that you can kind of wear on a day-to-day
Yeah.
basis. I think it's really
So
universal.
easy and wearable for anybody.
And then inside, you're also going to get the, this is the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, which is really awesome too. It's got like a marine complex in there that's really great for hydration. There's the 4-in-1 setting spray, and then you're also going to get one of these little quench lipsticks. These are awesome.
Those are so good,
Love
and they're
these.
really good wearable colors for literally anybody. It is a really nice enhancement to a natural lip shade, so it really doesn't matter if you are what your undertone of your skin is, cool, warm. It doesn't like it really works on almost every person.
And you really love this formula. He raves about it all the
love
time.
this
like, literally
formula.
talks about this lipstick.
I
all
have the
time.
whole collection in a. I palletize them and I bring them with me in a kit. So,
Oh, cute.
Because
Awesome.
everyone loves them. Okay, so I'm gonna jump in. So I have next for maybe your sporty mom.
I like it.
Sporty.
Yes.
She's active. She's on the go.
The yogi.
She's trying to catch it. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
This is Milk Makeup, and this is their Boss bag. So
Cute.
it's a bag of skincare sticks.
Cute.
So cute. And my mom is a boss. I know your mom is a
Yeah,
boss.
she's a boss lady.
These are so adorable. Again, so funny because it goes back to like my obsession with minis. Thanks, Mom. I love these. These are really nice size.
Yeah, and these are perfect.
Look
for-
how cute
yeah,
these
love
are. And they have like their classic stick. So they have like their cooling gel stick. This is the watermelon serum.
This is new. I've been
It's
wanting
so
to try this.
good. It is
Yeah.
so hydrating. It feels great on the skin. I love that these are in like a stick form for ease. When they first released these, I was like, oh, skincare in a stick, what? But now I'm obsessed because they're so quick.
Yeah.
It's boom, boom, boom. And it's so great for that person on the go. Any mom is going to travel, have it in your purse. You know, you can really refresh your skin after a workout. You can have it in your pocket. I mean, these are so portable. And I love this, the little neoprene.
The cute
like,
bag.
yeah,
Yeah, of course.
adorable little bag. No, I love this. I think Milk did a great job on this. Personally, I want it. But I would definitely give this as a great gift.
Cutie.
Easy.
Cutie. Okay, so next up, we have another go-to favorite for gifting.
Yes.
This is actually from Sephora Favorites, and this is the Gimme Some Lip Kit. Now, I know we've talked about this on the channel a lot, but it's definitely a one-stop shop to go to for gifting, for sure.
They're always well done, well curated.
And this one is no exception. So inside, you're going to get a full-size Anastasia lipstick.
Really nice. Good color.
Beautiful vintagey kind of red color. Some Grande lip plumper
I know.
there.
I was like, I love the Grande lip.
Some new fun lip glosses. This is the new Hi-Fi Shine from Urban Decay.
Fun.
This is kind of like a pretty pink color. It's let's see what it's called.
That's a nice one.
SPL. And then this one is from Tarte. This is the H2O gloss. This is
Oh,
one
these
of
are
the new
really
ones,
nice.
too.
Yeah, they're like those iridescent holographic. Oh, this is a really nice Kat Von D. Lovecraft, classic color. Very wearable.
And then one of the Pink Pearl Bite multi-sticks that you can use for eyes, cheeks, and lips. So I guess it's actually not just lips in this box. It's actually a full face if you really wanted to.
because you could technically
you
use
could
this
use this
anywhere.
anywhere. Nice.
Woo!
I like it.
I like this one. Oh, I really like that.
Yeah, so if you're looking for somebody
really good.
that's just like a sure bet, this is there's a lot of good options in here. Some stuff to play around with and kind of switch it up a little bit.
For experimental moms.
Yeah,
who want to try something
I like
different.
it.
Yes,
Yeah,
you know. So speaking of lips,
Okay.
got a classic.
Bite Beauty.
Bite Beauty.
Love.
So this is their prep line and color kit. This is incredible. Bite always kind of nails it when it comes to their gift bags and gift packages and stuff.
I love this vinyl on the
I know. It's actually, the vinyl is on the bag.
That's cool.
When I first took it out, I was like, how do I? What do I? And I was like, I'm going to
that's
rip this.
nice.
But nice little waterproofing, you know, really cute bag. Comes with some great products. I love these. These are the liquefied
the
amuse-bouche.
melted down ones, right?
Yeah. So what I love about this is a very easy way for anyone who likes sort of wearable lip colors that are comfortable. So, you know, everyone loves the liquid lips right now, but sometimes like my mom is not going to wear a liquid lip. It's too drying for her. You know, so this is a great alternative for, you know, like I have given her some of these before and she loves them. They're the wearable tones, as she likes to call them.
Okay.
She's
The
like,
wearable tones.
The wearable tones, David.
Quote, unquote.
But yeah, they're really comfortable, and these are really, really long wearing, even though they're hydrating, which is great. Plus, it comes with their agave lip mask and a full size. Which, if any of you have ever tried this agave lip mask, this is, if you struggle with dry lips, this is the holy grail of like
It's like such an addicting texture
Yes.
and taste and smell, and it's so hydrating. You'll like just be
so
addicted to the
hydrating.
feeling. So
And a
amazing.
really one of their great lip liners, which I adore these. These work also over the whole lip. What I love about Bite too is everything is like almost virtually edible, but please don't eat it.
Well, and on that note, I think we should go into like kind of like the natural mom too,
Yes,
right?
yes. You have a little natural mom something.
for sure. Yeah, this is from Tata Harper, and this is the Glow Getter Get Your Skin Glowing Kit. And inside, you're gonna have 2 of her best-selling products. You're gonna get the Regenerating Cleanser, and then you also get the Resurfacing Mask.
Is that the peel mask?
Yeah.
Oh, I love this. You know I love a peel.
And this one is like really, since it's natural, it's really great, like generally for sensitive skin, and it's gonna give you an instant radiance and glow, which is really, really nice. So
this is a good gift for a mom. Like this is a good pamper yourself mom gift, spa day at home.
Yep.
I like to give my mom like her pampering skincare stuff, the stuff that she might not, you know, do her everyday routine. It's just like an addition. It's an accessory to your skincare routine. Okay, so I have a little bit of like a sort of natural mom too. So
Okay.
this is from Pharmacy. This is a little pack of their, I would say minis, but again, minis nowadays are really quite big. So I don't really like to
the
use
minis
those.
aren't minis anymore.
They're not minis anymore. They're like almost full sizes. But it's some of their great products. So you've got like their Honey Drop Moisturizer. The Honey Potion Mask is amazing. Have you tried this?
It's kind of like it warms up as you put it on.
It warms
Yeah,
up
it's really
and it
nice.
fills your skin with antioxidants. Your skin instantly looks hydrated and revitalized and fresher. I love this. I personally have this. I'm a big mask person. The Sleep Tight Balm, great product for overnight, really good hydration. So this is a great way to introduce somebody to a brand. I think as like a gift. I know a lot of people, they get stuck in their skincare routines or their makeup routines. What's great about these packages and these sort of like curated gift sets is it's a great introduction to a brand that maybe your mom hasn't tried yet.
Yeah.
You know, maybe she's stuck in her routine and you're like, oh, Mom, there's these great new brands. And it's like, you give her this and she's gonna try it. She's got these little...
I'm still using my cold cream
Right.
from 30 years ago. I don't know what you're talking about. Exactly, right? Exactly. It's like, gotta switch it up, you know? Upgrade.
Exactly. It's a little upgrade. It's a little upgrade. I love it.
So this is from Tatcha. This is the skincare for makeup lovers set. So this is all basically everything you need to go with makeup. So inside you're getting a full size of the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Love
this stuff
product.
Is incredible.
Yeah, obsessed. If you have not tried it, definitely look into it. It's definitely a social media favorite. Everybody's obsessed with it. You're getting the Violet C Radiance Mask. So, you know, I'm all about vitamin C. And this is from the Beauty Berry, which is really pretty. It's kind of like a fun purple color. So when you put it on, it might be a good selfie moment for you and your mom.
Oh, that's fun.
That. And then this is the Pure One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil, which is also really beautiful for removing makeup. So basically all of these are basically designed to boost your glow before applying makeup.
I love that. And that spray, guys, if you have not tried it, you must. It's is a
so
great product. Any mom would fall in love with it. I know. It's so good.
I had to re-up.
I'm like, that's worth it just for that alone. Yeah. So this is the Moisturizing Cool Gel Cream. I love you. So this is a great cooling gel cream. Super hydrating. Actually does create a cooling effect. So it helps with like redness and stuff like that. But of course, filled with the miracle broth that's in all of La Mer's products, which is like this sea-derived ingredient that is just basically literally miracle broth. It is what has made them so successful over all the years with their skincare. So any mom who gets this is going to be like, okay, you won the favorite child award.
Yes, and that one looks beautiful on the vanity. So when people come over and they're like, "Ooh, you got the good sauce, girl.
You got the good sauce,
you got the
literally."
Good sauce. I love it. Yep. Exactly.
This is a good one.
Okay, so last up we have gifts for the Tool Mom, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I have this is from Beauty Blender, and this is the BFF Beauty's Best Friend set. Aww. So cute.
It is cute.
Inside you're gonna get a double set of Beauty Blenders.
And it's a heart.
Yeah, and it comes in a little heart case, which is super cute. And you can actually reuse the case there's little perforated holes, so you can dry your Beauty Blender in there, which is really nice. Yeah. Snaps apart.
Oh, it does.
Got it.
Oh,
there you
look
go.
at that.
Bestie. Oh.
You've got part of my heart, Mom.
I love it.
Aww.
You get a Beauty Blender cleanser solid too, so they show you how to like clean it, take care of it. So it's also a little mini education moment. Yeah, I love it.
This is really adorable. And I think, again, it goes back to that whole idea of like, if your mom has never experienced the beauty blender,
yeah,
you know, and how great it is to apply your foundation with a beauty blender. This is a great way to be like, okay, now you got no excuse, Mama. You gonna try the big pink sponge?
Exactly.
Okay, so I've got a big one now. So
I'm jealous of this one.
This is really, really good. This is the Sephora Collection Pro Essential Brush Set. This is
beautiful.
This is really good, guys. Like, you're really giving a treat here. I mean, when we saw this, the two of us were like, what?
I think primarily because all the brushes that come in this particular set are brushes that we carry and use every day here at the studio. So, like, these are our literal favorites.
Yes.
Like,
how nice this is. Any mom that got this would be so happy.
Yeah, absolutely. And so it comes with the beautiful folio, which is, oh my God, that's so stunning.
God, you guys.
Like, seriously, best for last for sure.
Like, I'm not even kidding with you. This is a hands down drop the mic moment. You have won the award. This is, like Jeffrey was saying, every brush that we use. There is not a brush missing from here that I would say you need that to fill this assortment. This is perfection.
Actually, if it's the mom that watches Sephora YouTube, this is the brush set to get, because these are the brushes that we use in the videos. So like, if you want the brushes straight from the tutorials, that's the one.
My number 15 eyeshadow brush that I use in every single tutorial I've ever done on this channel.
Powder brush. Seriously.
It's
so
right
every
there.
brush that we use on this channel is in this set.
Literally. This is such a good set. And I think it's a great way, again, you know, if it's time for your mom to upgrade her brushes, you know, you can come in for the win with this. It's such a fantastic gift. Yeah, and I mean, I hope you guys loved all these products. I think Mother's Day is a very, very important day. I think it should be Mother's Day once a month, not once a year. So, you know, give a little bit more. Treat your mom. Show
Take
her that
into
you
the
love
store,
her.
too.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't just stop at getting the gifts
Yeah.
and bringing them home.
Yeah.
You can always get her a gift card to bring her in to have a complimentary service, maybe like a free
Get a
pamper day.
makeover, a skincare service. Yeah, treat her nice. It's definitely a good day for that. I love my mom, and I always like to shower her with gifts.
Oh, cutest.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, we'd love to hear from you guys. So if any of these are sparking your interest and you can't wait to buy them for your mom, please leave it in the comments section below. We do read them. We love to hear from you guys.
And we know some of you are probably going to buy some of these things for yourselves. So if you do that too, like, that's cool too.
I've already taken them all and put them in my own personal suitcase.
Yeah, exactly. And if you want to just drop your mom a little love in the comment section below, we want to hear that too. So, well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Ciao for now.
Bye, guys.